that? What is that?
Whatever it is that you got, you know. Put your
Tripod.
Put your phone on it and ride around. No, I don't want to leave.
How? Is anyone else gonna set them off?
What?
We'll finish tomorrow. You guys want to finish tomorrow?
Gotta get the YouTube video in. Ooh, I'll pick 'em. Oh, that's really crappy quality.
Hey guys, what's up here?
Okay. It doesn't even, if you look at it from that to this, it just looks so stupid. That one looks fine. That one's too far away.
We gonna go?
Yeah, in a minute. Going out in my face, yeah, sipping on apple juice.
Hey guys, I know. I think we should go.
Now that it's after all that screaming's over, earphone warning. Alright guys, that was the 4th of July fireworks. Earphone warning now that it's ended. And just on my bike with my cousin, we're about to head home. Thanks so much for all the other views. Please subscribe. I'm trying to start off my YouTube channel. There's 55 views on that video I posted yesterday. It'd be great if all you guys that watched it would subscribe for more of that stuff. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.